How to make sales on Facebook ads. So I'll assume that you already have a product to sell, a website to sell it from, and you've connected your Facebook Ads Manager to your website so that you can sell properly. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to be selling this amazing artist's pen. So the first thing you need to do is look at your product and ask yourself these questions. Who is it for? What are the features and benefits of your product? How will it improve your customer's life? Who else is selling similar products? What problems does it solve? Google your product name, check some websites, then go to their Facebook pages, and under page transparency, click on see more. Scroll down to ads from this page, and if you see this page is currently running ads, click on go to ads library and check them out. Note which ads have been running for the longest. A few months is usually a good indicator. Make a note of the style of ad they're using. Repeat for each competitor. Now that you've done that, choose 3 ad types to create and test. Some good general ideas are 2 video UGC style ads with different hooks, an image ad showing the features and benefits, features point out ad, a super basic and simple offer image ad showing the product and a price offer. This can actually work a lot better than you might think. Now you actually need to make the ads for your product. Take some high quality photos of your product, upload them into Canva or your preferred ad creation platform. Make the ads you decided on in a similar style to your competitors' best ads. Remember to make a copy of your ads in 9:16 for stories and reels placements. For the UGC content, either make it yourself if you can, or if you can't, you can pay a UGC content creator to make that for you. Just be sure to give a specific brief and some examples to your UGC creator so that they don't get it completely wrong. Next is to film and edit your UGC video ads. So you can do this in CapCut, which is free, or even the TikTok editor is really good. Remember to make a version of your ads in 1:1 ratio square format for newsfeed placements. So here's my examples. So basic image offer ad, UGC ad.
Tired of rubbish pens that smudge? Me too. Then I found this.
And features point out ad. Now go into the Facebook Ads Manager, create a sales campaign, CBO, set the budget to at least £20 per day and daily budget. That's all for the campaign level. Next, go into your ad set, name it broad. Set the ad set conversion event to purchase and select your pixel. Select your main target country only. Remember to change living in or recently in to just living in. Leave all targeting completely broad unless your product is specifically for women or men or people of a certain age. Leave placements on auto. Now into your ad level. Name your ad with whatever the format is and then the ad type. For example, image features point out. Select your page and Instagram account. Under format, select image/video. Upload your amazing ad. Scroll down to destination box, select website, put your landing page URL in, then scroll down to the tracking box. Make sure website events is ticked and your pixel is selected and active. Then click the URL parameters box and click build URL parameters. Campaign source, site source name, campaign name, campaign name, campaign content, ad ID. This makes sure you can properly track results. Scroll back up to the ad creative section, click on the primary text box. Now it's time to find your notes from step 1 about what are the features and benefits of your product, how will it improve your customer's life, what problems does it solve. Pick the one that's the most relevant for the ad you're creating and just write a simple 2-sentence ad copy for it. For example, with my features point out image, I would try the problem solution ad copy style. Tired of your average pen smudging all over your hand? The Fine Line Uni Pen is 100% smudge, water and fade proof. Don't overthink this, you'll have to test lots of ad copy along the way. It's good to just get some simple stuff out first and get some data to check it. In the headline, highlight your product and offer. So for example, Fine Line Smudge Proof Pen, 15% off. Select the Shop Now call to action. Then under your media in the ad creative section, hover over the pencil under the Stories and Reels placement option and click Edit Group. On the left column under Media, click Change. Then click Upload and upload your 9:16 version of your ad for the Stories and Reels placements. Once your 9:16 ad is uploaded, hit Save and you're done with the ad. Now click on the 3 dots next to your ad level and select Quickly Duplicate. And repeat this setup process for your other ads, 2 or 3. Once you have your 3 ads created within that ad set, click on the 3 dots next to your ad set level and click Quickly Duplicate. Rename this ad set to Interests: Stacked. Scroll down to the detailed targeting section, type in a few interests directly related to your product or niche. Don't overthink this, keep it simple. Make sure the audience size is over 10 million. 4 or 5 broad related interests should do it. And that's it. Double check everything, make sure you're happy with it and you've put all the right links in, and then hit publish. And then do not touch anything for at least 5 days. After 5 days, go into your campaign and check for sales first. Turn off any ads that don't have sales after 5 days. Create new ads based on the ones that are working and drop them into the ad sets that are working. Rinse and repeat.